Hello students, welcome to economics classes. Dear students, today we will discuss importance of statistics. Importance of statistics to the government. अब बेटा गवर्नमेंट को स्टैटिस्टिक्स कैसे हेल्प करता है? टू फॉर्मुलेट पॉलिसी, फंक्शंस ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, टू एनालाइज बेसिक कंज्यूमर प्रॉब्लम लाइक पॉवर्टी एंड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. अब बेटा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट हो या कोई भी डिपार्टमेंट हो, गवर्नमेंट with the help of statistics comes to know that how much electricity is needed in a particular area. Here government takes the help of statistics. Statistics in economics, in the study of consumption, in the study of production, in the study of cost. Third, importance of statistics in economic planning. It is the best use of the national resources, for example human resources. And fourth, in business, regarding import, export, banking, transportations, insurance, advertisements, they all takes the help of statistics. Dear students, just I have given you the brief idea. You can take the help of the books while writing in detail. Now dear students, we have another very important question, that is limitations of statistics. This is considered to be the most important questions. First, it doesn't study the qualitative aspect of problem. इसका मतलब हो गया बेटा कि statistics deals only with the quantitative but it ignores qualitative. Qualitative phenomenon like honesty, intelligence cannot be studied in statistics unless these attributes are expressed in terms of your numericals. Qualitative का मतलब हो गया numerically not expressed, जैसे red and black pen. अब how many red pen, how many black pen, it is not mentioned, so it won't be recorded in the statistics. It does not study individuals. अब बेटा जैसे दो लोग हैं, रामू और सामू, और उनकी इनकम है रामू और सामू. अगर मैं सिर्फ लिखता हूं 50 and 10, इट इज मीनिंगलेस. अगर इसको कंप्लीट करने के लिए मैं लिखता हूं, इफ द रामू इनकम ऑफ रामू इज ₹50, इनकम ऑफ सामू इज ₹10. अब ये डाटा जो है वो कंप्लीट हो गया. नाउ वी कैन कंपेयर. रामू इज रिच. Statistics is the study of mass data and deals with aggregates of facts. Individual values of the observations have no specific importance. For example, the income of family, say ₹10,000, doesn't convey a statistical meaning, while the average income of 100 family, say ₹8,000, is a statistical statement. Third point, statistics can be misused. Statistics is liable to be misused. The results obtained can be manipulated according to one's own interest, or it may be used to support pre-drawn conclusions, and such manipulated results can mislead the community. तो बेटा data are liable to be misused. Data can be manipulated to suit his personal whims. और अगर मुझे किसी अपनी बात को प्रूफ करना है तो उस बात के हिसाब से मैं डाटा को प्रेजेंट करूंगा. सो स्टैटिस्टिक्स कैन बी मिसयूज्ड. फोर्थ पॉइंट बेटा, स्टैटिस्टिक्स यूज ओनली होमोजीनियस डाटा. होमोजीनियस का मतलब हो गया आइडेंटिकल. इन ऑर्डर टू फैसिलिटेट कंपैरिजन, इट इज एसेंशियल दैट स्टैटिस्टिकल डेटा इज यूनिफॉर्म इन नेचर. हेट्रोजीनियस डाटा इज नॉट कंपेरेबल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, production of rice cannot be compared with the production of milk, as both are measured in different units. Comparison is possible only if their value is considered and not the volume. And last beta, statistics are not universally applicable. Laws of statistics are probabilistic in nature. That means some guesswork is required, like the laws of chemistry, physics and mathematics. They are normally in approximates and true only under certain circumstances. So beta, today you will write down the importance of statistics and limitations of statistics. That's all for today. Thank you.